Today in front of me I have Redmi A1 Plus, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the about phone category. That's usually the first one that you'll find over here. Then tap at the storage rectangle over here. And at the following storage space page, you can check how many gigabytes you have occupied, how much storage you have to begin with, and how much of it is currently free and ready to be used. Moreover, you can also see what exactly occupies your internal storage. Alrighty, so I guess that would do it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.